Welcome inside a modern Nestle juice factory, where fresh fruit is transformed into safe, high-quality beverages. Fresh fruit arrives daily from certified farms under controlled conditions. Every batch is inspected to ensure only ripe and healthy fruit enters production. The fruit is washed with purified water to remove dust and residues. Automated cameras remove damaged or unripe fruit. Fruit is peeled and cut before juice extraction. The fruit is crushed and pressed to release fresh juice. Fibers and solids are filtered for smooth consistency. Air is removed to prevent oxidation and flavor loss. The juice is briefly heated to kill harmful microorganisms. The juice is rapidly cooled to preserve freshness. Different juice batches are blended for consistent flavor. Vitamins and minerals are added for nutrition. Samples are tested for taste, safety, and quality. Juice is stored in sterile tanks until packaging. Empty bottles are sterilized before filling. Juice is filled into bottles in a sterile environment. Bottles are sealed airtight to protect freshness. Production and expiry dates are printed on every bottle. Brand labels are applied automatically. Cameras check fill level, seal quality, and label position. Bottles are packed into cartons for shipping. Cartons are stacked onto pallets automatically. Products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. Products are shipped to regional distribution centers. Juice reaches supermarkets and shops. Customers enjoy safe, fresh juice every day. Nestle reduces waste and recycles materials. Strict safety rules protect workers and consumers. From farm to bottle, every step ensures quality, safety, and taste.